What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike, aka Michael Mitchell, back at it again with another video. And I talk about credit cards a lot on this channel. I think I know a decent amount about credit cards, what to recommend as far as credit cards go, how interest works, maybe a video on that coming soon. All these different things about credit cards I think I'm pretty knowledgeable about, and I can give you guys the right information the first time, every single time. So here I am yet again recommending another credit card to you that I feel as though might be one of the best credit cards to get if you're just in the market to get a brand new credit card. So basically this video is going to be titled, what credit card should you get if you could only get one credit card? Or if I only had one credit card, what credit card would that be? Let's get into it. Now, I've been meaning to make a video talking about this credit card for a while now, actually before it actually released, but I never actually got around to doing that. But here I am in this video talking about that credit card today. Before I actually get into that credit card that I want to recommend to you, I actually have a pretty good backlog of credit cards that I all have right here. I have one more, but it's not really that necessary. So basically I got the Uber credit card, which is basically useless now. Make sure you watch my Uber credit card video. I have the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card, a solid first credit card for sure. I have the Apple card, you know, certified Apple card. Not really, it's not that deep, but the Apple card, also a nice first credit card to grab. And I also have the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. All four of these credit cards I use in rotation, not too much on the Uber card anymore, but hey, it is what it is. The things change. It was good benefits before. It isn't that good of a benefit now. Either way, I'm not going to close the credit card account because that's something you shouldn't do, and that's a credit card tip. Now, obviously, you shouldn't go and apply for all these different types of credit cards that I have, or all the different types of credit cards that somebody else may have. Just because it looks good to them or makes their credit better doesn't mean it would do the same thing for you. And if you go and apply for 3 or 4 credit cards at once, best believe your score will drop tremendously, because what are you doing while you're applying for so much credit at the same amount of time? There's nothing wrong with having a whole bunch of credit cards, but obviously you shouldn't go and apply for all of them at the same time. It doesn't really make much sense. You don't need it. Overall, I think if I had one credit card, this is the credit card I would get, and it's not one of the credit cards I actually just mentioned. So let's find out what that is. So the credit card I'm talking about has actually just released about 2-3 weeks ago, and that credit card is the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. I think this is the best credit card you can get if you only had to get one credit card, or if you only could have one credit card. I'm going to explain to you why I think that is. Let's do that. You could be looking for a credit card for all different types of reasons. You might want cash back, you might want 0 interest, you might want a low APR. It all really depends. All these different factors kind of decide what credit card you kind of go and get. And the Chase Freedom Flex actually offers basically almost all that to you, and it's free, a $0 annual fee card on top of all that. So let's get into some of the benefits of the Chase Freedom Flex. The first benefit that you might like is that you'll get $200 cash back when you spend $500 or more within 3 months. And I'm pretty sure you spend at least $500 in 3 months. That doesn't mean you go out and spend a wasteful $500. That means you just pay your bills like you normally do now. Just pay your bills, put on the credit card, pay off the credit card, boom, paid off by the end of the month. Every single month, boom, $500. I mean, I can spend $500 in seconds. I'm pretty sure most people can do that in seconds. Maybe I can go on Amazon right now and drop $500. It's not hard. Either way, if you spend $500 within the first 3 months, they'll give you $200 cash back. So let's say you had to go get some new tires, like myself. I had to go buy some new tires for my car. They're going to be about $450, $500. I already had the money saved for those tires. I go and swipe my Chase Freedom Flex credit card, pay $500 for the tires, then go and pay that credit card off. And guess what? I get $200 cash back, essentially making the tires only $300 because I'm getting $200 cash back for something I was going to buy anyway. A lot of people, when they're looking for a new credit card, also like a 0 interest APR. This basically means when you sign up for a credit card, you have a limited amount of time to spend whatever you want on the credit card. And you know, obviously don't go over your limit, or don't even reach your limit basically at all, but don't do that. But spend as much as you want on the credit card, pay the credit card off, do whatever you want to do, but you don't have to pay any interest over that limit period of time. And in this case, the Chase Freedom Flex offers you a 0 introductory period of 15 months. So that basically means for 15 months, you won't have any interest to worry about on this card. Then past that, you'll have to pay interest. There are a lot of credit cards that offer this. This isn't the only credit card that offers this, but this credit card offers so much that this is just a cherry on top. But you know, we all love cash back, and this card has plenty of cash back to give you. First off, you'll get 5% back on different categories each quarter, up to $1,500. Currently, for this quarter with the Chase Freedom Flex credit card, from October to December, you'll get 5% back when you spend money at Walmart and when you spend money on PayPal. So I guess you buy a service on PayPal, you'll get 5% back, or if you buy something at Walmart, you'll get 5% back as long as you're using that card. That can be redeemed for those Chase Ultimate Rewards points, which I mentioned in my Chase video, so make sure you go check that video out. But basically just a rewards portal, and you can just redeem it for cash back back or other things you want to redeem it for. It's completely up to you. It's cool stuff. I really like Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal. I think it's really solid. Just a personal note there. You'll also receive another 5% back when you purchase travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. I personally don't think this is the best way to buy travel. You probably can get some better prices maybe through hotels.com or wherever else, Travelocity. I don't really know. Wherever you buy your travel stuff at, maybe straight on the airline's website, maybe Chase Rewards. I don't know which one's cheaper, but I'm letting you know you get 5% back if you use the Chase portal to do that. You'll get 3% back on dining, which basically means you go out to a restaurant, swipe 3% back, DoorDash, swipe 3% back, Uber Eats, Postmates, swipe, 3% back. You're gonna get 3% back every time you use the card for essentially food, not the grocery store, but food in general. You'll get 3% back. Cool stuff there. You'll get another 3% back on drugstores, and you'll get 1% back on everything else you buy. So overall, that's some pretty solid cash back, but right now they actually have a bonus going on where you get 5% back up to $12,000 in 1 year on groceries. So if you got a lot of groceries to buy this year, or I guess next year, or going from this year to next year, however you want to do it, a bonus is going on right now. 5% back, grocery stores, you're getting 5% back. It's that simple. Good stuff. Can't go wrong there. And that's not even all the benefits. So of course we got that cash back, that $200 when you spend $500. We got the 0 interest, which is a nice promotion. We have all the cash back right here on top of other things that I'm going to get into right now. The Chase Freedom Flex will offer you 2 more perks. You'll get 3 months of Dash Pass free. If you don't know what Dash Pass is, it's basically DoorDash with no fees, so you don't pay any of those delivery fees for DoorDash. And some of the restaurants are slightly discounted, but I've noticed I just don't pay for those delivery fees, which if you use DoorDash a lot, those delivery fees add up and kind of just don't make anyone's day, because you'll go buy something for $15, delivery fee is another, I don't know, $5, and then you'll pay like a restaurant fee maybe. I don't know. It's too many fees. I'm not dealing with it. Dash Pass, you get it for 3 months when you get this card. Simple enough. If you actually get the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which I have right here, you get Dash Pass for about 1.5 years, or at least till 2022, I believe, or 2021, something like that, but the end of 2021. Yeah, because I have Dash Pass for like 1.5 years, basically, with this card. Dash Pass for free for like 1.5 years. Good stuff. Can't complain. This card isn't that card, but you know, solid stuff. Can't lie there. And if you're using Lyft, you're going to get 5% back once again. They just don't care. They're just giving money away at this point. Anytime you use Lyft with the Chase Freedom Flex credit card, 5% back. That's simple. That's all I got for you. Some additional benefits include cell phone protection, up to 15% back at certain retailers. This kind of happens randomly, as well as free credit score monitoring, which most credit cards do now, I'm pretty sure, as well as just redeeming those rewards points through the actual Chase Ultimate Rewards website. So overall, basically what I'm saying is the Chase Freedom Flex credit card it's just a steal. I don't understand why anyone wouldn't try to get it if they're actually in the market to get a credit card like this. Then go ahead and grab it. I personally don't really need it, but I kind of still want it just because of how good it is. But I really just don't need it right now, so that's the only reason I didn't apply for it. Trust and best believe I would have already applied for this card and probably got it if I didn't really need it. And I still might get it. So I don't even know. I haven't decided if I'm gonna get it yet, but I'm letting you guys know this is a solid credit card. And if I had to choose one credit card to have in my wallet at all times, this would be the credit card. Not any of these that I actually have, because number one, the Chase Freedom Flex didn't exist like a month ago. But I mean, all these credit cards are great, but they're just not that. It's a solid credit card. It's a solid credit card. It covers you in a lot of different areas. It gives you a lot of cash back. Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal is great, and you can't really go wrong. It's a steal. I think it's a steal. It's definitely a #1 credit card. It's going to be on the top 10 list. It's going to be on the top 10 list. I should make a top 10 credit card list because it should be there. I should do that. Do you guys want that? You guys want like a top 10 credit cards list, or maybe like top 10 credit card list of 2020? We'll do a yearly thing, maybe a monthly thing. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know anywhere you want to let me know at. Maybe you want to let me know on my Instagram or my Twitter, anything like that. But that's kind of it for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit it with a like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date with the notification bell. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Hit me up on my Instagram or Twitter, as I mentioned before. Check out my other credit card videos because I have plenty of those credit card videos. So why not check those out? They'll definitely help you out, and you'll definitely get some cash back if you sign up with some of those links down below. So that's kind of it. And also check out, I was about to say check out my PlayStation 5 giveaway, but I think that's over now. So don't check that out because I think it's over. I think it's over. By the time this video will be out, I think it's over. Either way, you guys have a great night, great day, whatever you're trying to do. Have a great whatever, and take care. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.